Hello there, welcome to this Stack AI Academy course. My name is Amir and I'll be your guide throughout this course. Without further ado, let's dive in. When you logged into your account, you'll see a page like this, and from here we can navigate to dashboard. This is the dashboard page where you can see all of your existing projects. On the left hand side, you can see the existing folders. You can click on the plus button and add a new folder, give it a name. You can even make it private by toggling on private folder and invite people via an email. Underneath, you can upgrade your account, help on more, where you can visit our documentation page, join our community on Discord, and our tutorials. Then there is your profile where you can see your organization ID, your API keys, and account settings. On the top right corner, I'm clicking on this new project button where you can see in this pop-up window we have all these different templates you can choose from. You can even search based on a use case or by an integration. For the sake of this video, I'm going to just click on this empty project. This is the environment where we spend most of our time building powerful AI assistants. You can see this is a drag and drop canvas. First off, we can rename our project by clicking on the field on top. As you can see, we are in the build section where there are a whole bunch of nodes available. We will explain these nodes further throughout this course, and also you can explore them in our documentation page. For this video, I'm just going to click on this LLMs section and drag and drop an OpenAI large language model. You can connect different nodes through these handles. So I'm just going to connect an input node, which takes a text, sends it to a large language model, and gives us an output. When we are building projects in Stack AI, there are two ways to quickly test our projects. One is just by typing your message right here in the input node and just click on run on the top right corner. This will get us output generated by the large language model. Or you can click on this chat button on the bottom right corner and type your message right here, and it also execute the workflow. When you're done with building AI assistants, we need to click on this publish button. Once published, you can go to export either from this button right here or from the left hand side panel. We can click on export. In the export environment, you can see we have 5 different options to deploy our AI assistant to the outside world. Chat interface is a chat GPT style interface which allows us to chat with our AI assistant. So this is how the chat interface looks like. You can add new users by clicking on this button, and you can interact with your chatbot by typing your message, and you can also clear conversations. If you go back to export section, you can see under general, you can give the interface a name, you can give it a description, protect it with a password, and also define input and output nodes. On the styling, you can give it a logo and further customization. Then we have the option to export as a form, website chatbot, which can be embedded on your website. We can integrate it with WhatsApp or SMS via a Twilio configuration, or we can deploy it anywhere on your custom applications by using this API endpoint. With this quick understanding of options to export our AI assistant, let's go over to Chat Manager. So if I go and I click on this Manage button on the left-hand side panel, you can see the existing conversations which users have had through the ChatGPT-like interface will appear here. You have the option to download these chats as a CSV or as a JSON file. The last section we will quickly touch on is logs, where essentially we'll display all of the interactions with our project. So this is a new project. We had 2 interactions. You can see the status, inputs, outputs, and some information like latency. We can also download logs as a JSON or as a CSV file. So in this video, we learned about the basics: build, export, manage, and logs environments. We can't wait for you to see what you build with the Stack AI. Let us know if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.